In this CPAlead tutorial, I will show you how to make money with CPAlead landing pages, content lockers, and free traffic. Welcome YouTubers to this new episode. I'm Mar here, and CPAlead is a great CPA network, especially for beginners to make fast cash. There are multiple ways to make money with CPAlead, but I will focus only on the content locker method on this video. I put together this plan here to explain exactly how the system works, and I will get to this in a second. Before I get into the details, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment. It will be very appreciated. Now here I am on my CPAlead dashboard, and if you're not already registered, there is a link in the description below to register a new account and you will be approved right away. Now if you go to the left hand side menu and click on offers, you will find all the offers that you can promote to make money. These offers here are sorted by payout from the highest to the lowest. These are the names of the offers, and these are the countries where the traffic is allowed. I mean, you are only, for this example, you're only allowed to drive traffic from the USA. Now let's say that you want to promote one of these offers here. So all you have to do is click on it, on the name, and you will see the unique affiliate link, your unique affiliate link that you want to promote in order to make these kind of commissions here. You need to, of course, read some special instructions and description here to understand exactly what needs to be done. So in order for you to earn up to $5 with this offer here, someone that you referred needs to join as a Vindale. Let me show you another offer. So this one here is Canada plus another country. Let me click on it. So you already have a preview link if you want to see the landing page, and this is your referral link that you need to use when you promote the offer. So if I want to see what it looks like, I click on that button, and this is what I will be promoting. See, Survey Genki. Now you will earn this $1.07 if someone that you refer to that page using this link converts on first completed survey. So if he takes his first survey, completes it, you get the money. But the method of today is about content lockers. If you can see here, it says lockers. Let's say that you have a premium content on your website and you want the visitor to take a particular action in order for him to access that premium content. You can put offers from CPAlead, and when he completes those offers, he will be able to access the premium content, and this is where you create the system. So you can lock a file or a link, or you can lock a complete website. After that, what you need to do is create a landing page and then send people to that landing page. Once they are there, they need to click a button, complete an action, and it will take them to the premium content. Well, look, I already made an example here. If I go to manage landing pages, you can see that this landing page here is mine. I created it when I wanted to give away a premium content. Let me show you on the plan. So this is the landing page that I created, and it has a content locker. So this landing page is telling people that they can download this set of 20 free private label rights ebooks. They can, of course, use as they want. They can resell, they can use the content, they can rebrand, they can do lots of things of these PLR ebooks. So since this is a premium content, a premium information, here is the download page that I made. So if people land on this download page, all they have to do is click on this link and download this pack here. But in order for them to go from this landing page to this download page, they need to unlock the content by taking an offer that CPAlead will suggest for them. So everything that you see here have been done, and let me take you to CPAlead website to show you exactly what it is. So if I go to landing pages here and then click on browse pre-made pages, so my page will show on the pre-made pages. Let me scroll down a little bit to show it to you, the same page that I was talking about in a second. So let me just go down until I find it. And here it is. This one here, it says free MRR offer, but it's actually 20 PLR ebooks. So here it says your page. This is because it's my page. But if it's you, for example, looking at the same screen, it will say promote page, just like this one here, promote page. And when you click on that button, let's click on this one, it says created, and then it says get links. So if this is you, this will be your affiliate link for this landing page here for the offer. And if someone clicks on your affiliate link, that is this one here, and then goes to the page, completes an offer, first thing that will happen, you will get the commission. Second thing that will happen, he will go to the download page I showed you before and download his pack. So what's happening here? I am delivering the premium content and you are getting the commission. So this is what happens in the plan. Let's say that you took your affiliate link from the landing page and then you started to send free traffic to that landing page. Every time someone lands here, clicks on this button, this red button here, and the CPAlead will of course offer him an offer to complete. Once it's completed, two things happen. You earn the commission and I deliver the premium content, which is pre-programmed on the offer. So let me show you exactly what happens in action. Let's say that this is my landing page actually, and if I click on get links, I have this link which is mine, and then I can open it. So if I open it, this is what your visitors will see and read. So this is the landing page. If they click on this button here, download, this is what happens. CPAlead will give them the choice to complete an offer, free, all the offers are free. And if they click on one of these, once they complete the offer, they will be taken right away and automatically to the download page in order for them to get what they completed the offer for. Because they wanted to access a premium content, they accepted to complete that offer, which makes you a commission, and then of course they will get to this download page to download their content. Now if you ask me how do I promote my affiliate link got from CPAlead, well, I covered this subject here in these two videos on my channel. These were the last two videos I published, and I covered this subject of free traffic sources for affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. I will leave the links to these two videos in the description below. So let's recap. If you don't have an account, go ahead, click on the link in the description, create an account, log into your account. Once on your dashboard, click on this menu here at the left hand side which says landing pages, and then click on browse pre-made landing pages. So the system will give you all the available landing pages. Scroll down all the way until you find the offer we just spoke about. It is a brand new one and people started to use it right now. So you take this one, the one that says free MRR offer, and then you will find the blue button here saying promote page, just like these ones. You click on that blue button, it will say created, click on get links, and you will have your affiliate link to promote the offer, and make CPAlead commissions. Well, thank you very much for watching the video to the end. All the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please drop a question in the comment section if you have any, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.